Showing some progress. So far got everything removed. Zip tied some of the wires just to kind of get it out of my way so I can wire up my stuff. But yeah, got to make sure everything is good before installing the new unit. This should be pointing down so the water doesn't get trapped in there, or whenever you're driving around might splash. So it's supposed to point it down, but we'll put a new one in. Take this one off. Just kind of hanging right there all the way to the other side. Here's everything that I had to remove, just to give you an idea. So he can do whatever he desires with it, or pretty much put it in the trash, but I'll put it in the box anyway.